to the Golden Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Today we are gonna talk about the boat. A boat is a watercraft of a large range of types and sizes, but generally smaller than a ship, which is distinguished by its larger size or capacity, its shape, or its ability to carry boats. Small boats are typically used on island waterways such as rivers and lakes, or in protected coastal areas. However, some boats were intended for offshore use. In modern naval terms, a boat is a vessel small enough to be carrying aboard a ship. Boats vary in population and construction methods, which their intent, purpose, available material, or local traditions. Canoes have been used since prehistoric time and remain in use throughout the world for transportation, fishing, and sports. Fishing boats vary widely in size, part of much low condition. Pleasure craft used in retail boating, including sailboat, pontoon boat, and sailboat. Houseboats may be used for vacation or long-term residence. Lighters are used to move cargo to and from large ships unable to get close to shore. Lifeboats have reserved and safely function. Boats can be propelled by main power, wind, and inboard outboard mirrors. If you like my videos, remember to like, share, and subscribe.